Wow. Really interesting. Oh, hi. The Matt Griffith Show on the private jet. See? Mm, I really am glad to ride in this private jet. Even though I say it's for celebrities. Oh, what am I doing on private jet? Oh, well, on the private jet, I'm heading to Florida. Well, instead of taking the airport, it was a lot better. Yeah, it's true. Well, private jets are for celebrities. Did you know that? It's true. So, anyway, what I'm doing on this private jet is that I get to meet some really, they have some fancy stuff. Like, hmm, what do you get to do on private jets? If you were on a private jet, what would you do? Hmm, like, I would say this. This, this is internet gold. If this gets me a million hits, I'll probably win. Hmm. Or, ah, okay, there's so many stuffs to do on this private jet. Hmm. Okay. Anyway, today on the Macro Show, I'll probably do an impression of a duck. Hmm. Let's see. How do you do an impression of a duck? Oh, yes, right. Quack quack, quack quack, quack quack, quack quack, quack quack. Ooh, that was impressive. Here it comes again. Quack quack, quack quack. Hmm. Okay, this is the best part of my favorite part of the private jet. Yeah, I'm flying this to Florida on spring break. I mean Thanksgiving break. There's so many fun stuff planned to do in Florida. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe that's what I'll do. Hmm. Maybe. What do you think I should do? Hmm. Yeah, this is the best part about my private jet. When I'm a celebrity, I'll be like, uh, oh, 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 ow, man, man. I would all be like, cool. I'm a celebrity, and people at the red carpet would like, hi, people. Alright, I'm gonna go, and I hope the rest of you should subscribe to my YouTube channel and enjoy some stuff. Enjoy your Thanksgiving break. Bye.